Break ID number 1270. 2017 Contenders Football 1-box break. So here is the alphabetical list, and let's mix it up. And there you go. 2 free spots. Jacob H.A. with the Patriots and Robert S.I. with the Steelers. Five autos on average. And there's one. Jeremy McNichols. 2, Tampa Bay. Robert S.I. Sure, Brad. Brad, either you or I can send that back to them, and they will recase that at no charge. Let me know if you want me to do that for you. I'll overnight it to them. Jacob Hollister, and it is not regraded when they do that. unless the damage goes all the way through, but that is to New England. Jacob H.A. Does the break go all the way through? So if it's on the edge of the case, they will not regrade it. They will just put a new case on it. Justin Davis, rookie auto. Does it look like something I might have overlooked or missed on it? That's to the Rams. Robert S.I. Carl Lawson. To the Bengals, Jacob H.A. Wow, that's surprising. Sorry about that. I'd have done that right away. It obviously changes the value if it's left that way. But there's no risk of losing the grade. Well, that means that Beckett did that for some reason. I've gotten a couple like that. We sent them back. They just fix them. Yeah, send it over. I'll get it done lightning fast. That's an amazing card. George Kittle. Variation auto. To the 49ers, Dominic R.I. I believe you, and don't blame you. If I were to pick my absolute favorite player to collect, besides Brady, it would probably be Ryan. I've always loved his stuff. And that's a 10. I mean, that's just awesome. And on card, if I remember correctly. Redemption. Rookie playoff ticket, RPS, Jamal Williams. Jamal Williams. To the Packers, that is Jacob, H.A. When you put it on eBay, send me a link so I can watch it. Two left. Hey, Jake. I think there's just a handful left of Spectra also. Spectra Football, which is only $9.99. Amari Cooper to $2.49. Last pack. All right. Not bad. We got 6 autos in that one. Above average, we'll take it.